Welcome to Wheelie Detailers. In this video we're going to do some coarse, medium and fine polishing. So here behind me you see a black Volkswagen Polo. I think it's model year 2018-2019, and we used this car for the basics of detailing training last Wednesday. And the basics of detailing, time is limited, so we only focus on 1 or 2 step polishing jobs and on the top end of the car. Often on the lower ends of the car we see a lot of paint damage, a lot of scratches, a lot of swirls, a lot of scuff marks. That's what we're going to show you now. I see a lot of marks from probably the in-bay car wash, scratches, scuff marks that are kind of matte to the finish, more scratches. There's enough to do here. Here we see some damages on the doorstep, so we're going to open the door as well. So we're going to do some serious paint correction here. A lot of scratches from getting in and out of the car, probably from heels. I expect this is from some higher heels or some bumps from ladies. Set up the polisher. So my weapon of choice, the Kraus S75 mini polisher with also 75mm backing plate. On top of that I'll put a Dicon crazy wool pad. In combination, spray a little bit of orange eco. So make sure the machine is always on setting 1 when you start. First we're going to spread out the polish.
So once the polish is spread, we're going to speed up.
So with orbital polishing, as well as with rotary polishing, it's always very important to have your pad as flat on the surface as possible. So we see some improvement, but we're not there yet. So I think we need a stronger polish, in this case the Menzerna 300, because the 400 just doesn't do it all. Same procedure, only in this case I'm using the Menzerna 300. Here we can see that a lot of scratches are already gone. The goal was to remove the deep scratches, and that combination of the Menzerna 300 on the crazy wool pad 3-inch did a good job. Our next step is the green Delta pad with Menzerna 400. Results are good. 2 steps down, 1 step to go. Yellow pad with the Menzerna 2500. Again, we're going to prime the pad. So yes, lower parts of the door also belong to the detail job, very important. Only one thing I didn't do. I was just having lunch break and I forgot about it. Hey, this is not so good. So I forgot the paint thickness gauge up front, but we measured this car already. It was around 180 to 200 microns on Wednesday. But on the back door, which we're going to do as well, so we're going to include the paint thickness gauge as well, and then do the 3 steps of polishing as needed. Sorry for that. I'm also human and I make mistakes, so we move on. 340 microns on the door sills. 224. 182. It's kind of 224. Maybe I don't measure correctly. 226. 239. So averagely I would say over 200 microns, and that gives us enough paint to work with. This is the small Kraus nano battery polisher, the Eco 7. Again, there's a wool pad on top, Menzerna 300 on top. I already primed it. It doesn't go fast enough, in my opinion. Maybe nice for some really small spots, but not for this. This is too large, it takes too long. That was step 1. I'm gonna switch pads. Max can make some close-ups. And then we're gonna go to step 2. Menzerna 400. After the 300 we just applied on the green delta pad. Put on the yellow pad and the Menzerna 2500. It was quite a job for pretty much only a small area to polish. And it often brings me to the case that detail polishing pretty much costs you the same amount of time as polishing larger surfaces. So count it in correctly in your detail jobs. So in this case, yeah, we needed quite some coarse power. So we used the Menzerna 300 on the crazy wool pad, the Menzerna 400 on the green delta pad, the Menzerna 2500 on the delta yellow pad. On the inside sill I tried it with the Kraus Eco 7 Nano battery polisher, but it was just not powerful enough to get it done in a proper way, in a timely manner. So this is why I switched back to the S75, which worked out quite good. As mentioned, yeah, once it's corrected and once it's polished, you might want to think of to apply some PPF there, or let apply PPF there. So those damages from heels, from getting in and out of the car will not happen so fast again. So once your car is polished and corrected and protected and done, then you might want to click on the pop-up banner to find the video how to do a safe and proper hand car wash. Thanks for watching. See you guys and girls in the next one. Bye bye.